Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the valuables and hazards under control. Put on gloves, goggles, respirator, and a fire apron. Next, weigh the gold and note its carat so you can predict flow and shrinkage, accuracy to 0. 1G helps. Place a clean crucible and add flux to remove oxides. Light your torch or preheat the furnace to just above gold's melting point. This reduces heating time and keeps impurities from reattaching. Once the metal liquefies, skim the dross before pouring. Once the metal is cleanly molten and free of dross, you preheat the mold to reduce thermal shock and improve detail capture. Aim for 200 to 400 degrees Celsius depending on mold material. Hold the crucible steady and pour in a smooth, continuous motion. Hesitation causes cold shuts and porosity. If using investment or sand, gently tap or vibrate the mold while pouring to release trapped air. Make sure to let the casting cool slowly to avoid cracks. Rapid cool. After the casting cools to handle temperature, you decide whether to quench. Many gold alloys are annealed rather than quenched to relieve stress without cracking. Cut sprues, file gates, and progressively sand from coarse to fine before polishing. Use a pickle bath to remove oxidation and flux. If you find porosity, cold shuts, or cracks, re-evaluate. Increase pouring temperature slightly, preheat mold more, improve fluxing, or degas the metal. One key tip: if porosity appears, check for moisture in the mold and dry it thoroughly before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.